Okay, so I just finished installing the clutch on the F100. Gonna put the bell housing on and gonna try to throw this in here into the frame. So I'll move this cab out, pull the frame out, and try to put this in. Alright. Okay, so I just finished installing the motor. It's not bolted down or anything yet, but it's sitting in here. So I'm going to finish bolting this down, and I guess I'll start working on the exhaust. So I'll make one of those time-lapse videos of that as well, so you guys can see how that all went. Okay, so since we didn't take this thing apart, we don't have the original bolt that went in here to hold the motor to the front of the frame. And if we just take a regular bolt here, it's going to hit on the harmonic balancer. So I'm going to weld a nut onto the bottom of this washer here, and then that will thread the bolt into that. And then on top of that washer, we're going to have to weld another nut so we can get a wrench in there and then make sure that it's not going to hit on that. So go to weld the nut onto the washer, and I'll take some pictures and videos of how that went. Okay, so we got it in. We decided just to make a little tack weld on there to hold the washer from spinning when we tightened the bolt on. There really wasn't any room to get a nut on there to hold it with a wrench, so we just welded that a little bit on there, and it's in. Gotta tighten up these, but other than that, motor's in, and I'll tighten down. Okay, so the exhaust is mocked up. Gotta weld it and then run the hangers, but it all went in pretty well. Only had to cut the pipe once, and everything lined up pretty well. So this is the exhaust for it. And then we got a stainless steel tip for it back there. Alright, the camera died during the middle of putting the exhaust in, but I got the header wrapped. The exhaust is all bolted in.